MasterCraft, we know you demand industry-leading technology, superior comfort, and world-class performance. That's why we've completely reimagined the Helm area of our 2025 XT models to deliver on every front. Central to this redesign is the introduction of MasterCraft MyDrive, a cutting-edge rotary encoder with hotkeys that puts frequently used functions at your fingertips. This allows you to keep your eyes focused on what's ahead while adjusting speed, wave settings, or accessing the favorites menu. Simply put, MyDrive makes commanding your boat easier and more intuitive than ever before. And to ensure your audio experience matches the rest of your ride, we've added a separate volume knob, giving you instant access to sound levels without disrupting your focus on the water. The 2025 XT models also feature a standard 12-inch touchscreen in the new dash design, which combines sleek, modern aesthetics with practical enhancements like a convenient storage cubby and phone holder. This thoughtful design maximizes space and provides a larger viewing window for the captain, allowing you to stay fully engaged with your surroundings. We've also reworked the entire user interface, introducing a completely new software platform that's more intuitive and customizable. With features like a large countdown screen for wave transfers, factory foiling presets, light and dark mode, and a rudder position sensor integrated into the display, you'll find that managing your boat's performance has never been simpler. And because comfort is as important as control, the 2025 XT models come with a newly designed Helm seat that offers unmatched ergonomics. Plus, a standard wireless phone charger below the dash keeps your device powered and ready all day long.